doing today. Brian here from Attention to Details. Dustin and I are just grinding away here on the Ferrari, getting some amazing results. We got Jay on the RS4 doing the interior and some cleanup on stuff like that we're getting processed and ready. So we just wanted to give a quick shout out. And Kenny and I have been working on a giveaway that we were talking about. So our first one we're going to do at the end of the week is one of our t-shirts here. So if anybody wants to get this grabbed up, we are going to, hope I say this right, because I'm getting new to all this stuff. Comment on this video, and at the end of the week, Kenny's got this thing on his computer that goes through the comments and it generates it, and then it stops on one, and we'll pick the winner, and we'll reach out to you, and you can pick up your new t-shirt. Stay tuned for that, and a lot of other things. I'm working on some really cool Johnny Fly sunglasses. So as soon as we get some of those in, we're going to do those as well, and they're amazing sunglasses, guys. Quality built, really nice. Anyway, that's what's going on today here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Love and happiness. Peace.